Hello, welcome to another video from me, Mr. Morrison. Today's video, I've created a little Halloween ghost that is going between two microbits. So you can see here, it's using the radio feature to send it when you shake the microbit. So let's get coding. So the microbit ghost is using the same project as the teleporting duck or send a smile. So if you've seen that, you'll probably know what we're going to do. But we're going to use on start and not forever. We're going to go into radio and we're going to set group. Now the radio set group is where you want all the microbits you want to speak to each other to have the same group number, and the microbits you don't want to speak to each other to have different group numbers. That means if you're in a classroom with lots of groups working on this project, each group needs a different number so that only their microbits speak to each other. You change the number. Like this is 255 options, so you're not going to get stuck with numbers. I'm just going to keep it as 1 just now. So next we need to go into OnShake, and I am going to first clear the screen to make sure the screen is clear. And then I'm going to go to radio and I'm going to send a string. And this string is going to be ghost in capital letters, Ghost. And then on the other side, I'm going to see radio received string up here. On radio received string, I'm going to show an icon. So I'm just going to go into icons, show an icon, and I'm going to find my ghost. You could also create a different spooky thing using the show LEDs or a ghost that you prefer, but that is the project. Download it onto 2 microbits, at least 2 microbits. You could download it onto more and see if it works. And I hope to see you in another video very soon. Have a spooky time.